Sir, dito kami oh.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Hello.
Oy, dito. Hello, sir.
Hi. How are you?
Yeah.
Papansin ka talaga.
Pansin.
Ah, the Miss Sam. This is the life of the Filipina.
Yeah. Very jovial crowd.
Ayan na.
I'm coming your way. What you got there?
Yeah, sir. You want some?
Nice.
This is a beautiful.
Beautiful fish. Give me the sales pitch. Give me the sales pitch. That's good. That's good. Look at all this stuff, huh?
Good. It's good. Good.
Good, good, good.
That's good. It's good. Good.
What a crowd. What a crowd. Huh?
Where you came from?
I'm from the United States.
Ah, you will find me a love.
Oh. Get on Facebook.
Facebook. I'll send to your Facebook. Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Nice. All right. Let's go out here and find my wife. What a crowd. What a crowd. I think I need to bring my wife with me to protect me in a place like that. The ladies are all over the place. All right. Anyways, there you have it. Suki Market is, wow, they go right in a row. You got Nipo Market up front, then in the middle you got the garden market, Tapar, whatever it's called, and then right down here in the end on the north side you got Suki. So you get your fair share of markets back in this area. That's cool though. Hey guy, hey friend, how's it going? So, hey, how's it going? Hello, hello, hello.
Barber shop. You want to see? For
Sure.
Down there. If you want to cut your hair.
Okay. We are outside the Suki Market. And we must sign in. So, 1 second. Okay, as I was saying, we are right outside, or actually we're coming into the Suki Market. Another wet market in Alaminos City. This is public, right, hon? Public market. Nepo is the private market, from what I understand, and Suki is the public market. This one's big. This one's real big. We've been here before. It's been a few months, but it's been a few months for me that I've been here. I usually let the wife do the shopping over here. I stay home. I was saying in the previous video that this it's better that she comes to the market by herself and does the shopping. She gets the better deals without being seen with her foreign husband. So, this is it. This is the inside of Suki Market, and it is huge. I was in here a few months ago doing a video, and it was hard to... Good morning. It was hard to get everything in one video because this place is just so damn big. Hello. So we got little food stalls. I'm not hungry yet. And of course I got dozens of people. Hello. Got dozens of people saying hello. 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 Look at all this stuff. Man. I have all kinds of people greeting me. It's kind of hard to say hi to everyone, but octopus.
Walang magandang isda. Kahapon, mayroon. Hindi mo naman ako tinis. Ikaw ang mag-text sa akin. Meron akong ganito na. Ayaw, sige. Buti nga kayo, dinapicture ng ano.
Kamusta?
Okay lang, kaya. Wala nga lang kami. Naghanap siya ng pusi.
Yeah, you'd probably have to do about 2 or 3 videos of this place to get it all. This is gigantic. Yeah, these vendors, they get in here. These vendors get in here about, what, 4 o'clock in the morning, I believe. Or thereabouts. They get in here really early before sunup. So. And they are here all day doing business. They pretty much live here. Money don't come easy here. You gotta work for every bit you get. Some people like it, some people don't. The camera, that is. So now we get more into the produce area. And as you can see, there's no shortage of that here. Pretty much everything you can imagine. Bananas. I got somebody on my tail here, so I'm kind of trying to let him pass. There we go. So yeah. Lots and lots of stuff. Lots of people. Lots of product. Hello. I'm gonna sneak around over here.
Okay.
I don't want to get too far away from my wife. We'll never find each other here. There's all these little nooks and crannies. Little passageways. It's like a maze through here. Don't mind me, I'm just the foreigner with a camera in his hand. Sure, they've seen it a million times. Because this is different from what we're used to in the West. We don't see this kind of stuff all the time, or hardly ever. Asian wet markets, produce markets, what have you. Okay, I'm starting to grow my hair out before I was shaving it. So now I'm starting to grow it out. So we're kind of on the lookout for a barber that might be able to cut my hair every few weeks. And I believe there's one around here somewhere. Hello. Hello. Okay, there's that produce market we were in on the previous video over there in that building, and then over the roof of that you can kind of see the roof, the top of Nipo Market. So there you go. Yep, right over there. Hello. So, all right, I'm coming. So now we are on the west side of this humongous market, Suki Market. Ah, there we go. Starting to see here. Coming up on the northwest corner. What's that shirt say? Good, Marines. Right there. Semper Fi. Ah.
Are you U.S. Marine?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Where the state?
What's that?
What state?
What state?
Yeah.
I was stationed. United States.
United States of
Yeah.
America.
Yep, right there.
Where your symbol?
Yeah. Huh?
Symbol.
Yep, right there. Marine Corps. Yeah.
Active now.
Retired.
Retired?
Yes, I am. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yep, thanks. Okay. So anyways, had a quick conversation with the guy back there. He was asking me if I was in the Marine Corps. Yep, certainly was. 20 years, so that's pretty cool. Anyways, we're gonna call that a wrap on the Suki Market. I have another video of this place. We went in here a while back, and yeah, it's just humongous. It's really hard to get it all in one video, but anyways, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you soon. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.